Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how I make my chicken stock. I am going to use Instant Pot to do it just because I'm using organic chicken and it is easier to tenderize the meat in the Instant Pot. In a saute mode, I will add olive oil and saute our ginger, garlic and onion. Once our onion turns into translucent, we're gonna add the pieces of chicken that I already cut earlier. By the way, this batch is a big one that I portioned into two that I will be using for my corn soup and tinola later. You can also do it in a big batch and portion it into few and put it in the freezer so you will have a chicken stock ready whenever you needed it. We're just gonna wait until our chicken turns into light brown and then we're gonna add the water, lemongrass, ground black pepper and salt, and then we're gonna switch into pressure cooker mode and put it into 15 minutes time, and then our chicken stock will be ready to use. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. See you later.